Hello everybody, my name is Rama. I want to present our omni-channel experience prototype on IBM Cloud Stack. Introducing the problem statement, Alpha Motors is a global motorbikes company. Currently, sales and marketing happens via multiple online and offline channels like web, online, direct shop, service center, third-party sales. In the same way, the leads and opportunities are also collected. This often leads to duplication of customer data. Unified customer experience is required so that we have connected sales based on earlier purchases, provide targeted promotions, etc. I developed a prototype leveraging IBM Cloud Pak for data. This is the solution flow. The data starts from IBM DB2, which collects data from 5 channels, and Cloudent, which collates data in unstructured format. The data is merged and processed with machine learning algorithms in IBM Watson Studio. This enriched data is automatically created as questions in Watson Assistant. At the end, I have Cloud Foundry web app which acts as a customer portal. Let me show the prototype development. This is the IBM Cloud portal where all the resources have been created. These are all the tables in DB2 storing data collected from all the channels. These are the unstructured data stored in Cloudent like bike model, availability, etc. All the data is being merged and processed in IBM Watson Studio. Now the combined static and dynamic questions are populated in IBM Watson Assistant. I designed a web portal to showcase all the information in one place. And this is my portal. Here the user can search for a bike by giving parameters like bike model and its color, where the bikes will be displaying, where available bikes will be displayed. I have integrated chatbot powered by IBM Watson Assistant. The user can freely search other important information like in which store product is available and to list what are the product subcategories available. As a summary, I am able to reimagine a legacy multi-point customer interactions to a single omni-channel 360 experience.